Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining Mathematics Paper 1, Code 0580, Paper 12, May June 2023. Let's start with the first question. Question 1, Part A states write on all the factors of 18. So factors means the numbers that will be multiplied with another number to form 18. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These are the factors of 18. Part B states write down the reciprocal of 8. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 divided by 8. So any number that will be divided by 1. So 1 divided by 8 is reciprocal of 8. Part 2, question 2 states this is a line. Part A states draw a line perpendicular to the line AB. Perpendicular to the line. So first what we will do is we will use the protractor and put it over here and draw a line like this and on the lower side also. Then we will do the same thing from the point B like this and like this. Then we will draw a straight line joining these both points, this and this point together. By joining these both lines, you will get a perpendicular equal line on the graph. So like this. So this is a perpendicular line that is drawn on the line AB. Part B states measure the line AB in centimeters. So what we will do is we will use the ruler and measure the length of this line AB. So as you can see, it is almost 7 centimeter. So it is almost 7 centimeter, exactly 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter will be the answer for this. Here you can see. So line AB is 7.4 centimeter, right? 7, here, 7 centimeter. Part 3 states shade two squares so the diagonal has a rotational symmetry of 4. So rotational symmetry of 4 means that one rotation is like this, second is when it is rotated 90 degrees, third rotation is when it is rotated again 90 degrees, and last is when it is also again rotated 90 degrees. So what we will do is, to make this rotation symmetry of 4, we will shade this box and this box, because here we have 3 line like this, here we have 3 line like this and 3 line like this and 3 line like this. As you can see, it's a fan type thing. So here we have shaded two squares to make it a rotation symmetry of 4. Question 4 part A states Kai and Eva each has a piece of wood 57 cm long. Kai cuts his piece into 4 equal length parts. Find the length of one part. So 57 divided by 4. So this will be 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16 and 2.5. So 14 point, not 2.5, sorry, 25. So 14.25 centimeter will be the answer. B states Eva cuts her piece into two parts and the lengths are in the ratio of 5 to 1. So find the length of the longer part. So what we will do is we will first break the 14.75 into smaller part. So this will be 14.25 into smaller part, which is divided by 2, or you can say here she cuts piece into two parts and the lengths are in the ratio 5 to 1. So 5 to 1, her piece into two parts. So what we'll do is you can delete this and write 57 divided by total, which is 5 plus 1 6 multiplied by 5, and that is 47.5. So 47.5 will be the final answer for part B. Question 5 states, in the diagram ABC is a triangle and ACD is a straight line. Find the value of the x and the value of y. So first, to calculate the value of x, we will add this angle 73 and 59 and subtract it from 180. So 180 minus 73 minus 59, that is 48. Then we will use this straight line, which is total 180. So 180 minus 48. 180 minus 48, that is 132 degrees. So 132 will be the value of y. So x is 48 and y is 132 degrees. So this is how we'll be doing part question 5. Question 6 states, find the temperature that is 8 degrees Celsius colder than minus 5. So it means colder is more lower than minus 5. So minus 5 minus 8 will be minus 13 degrees Celsius. So it is minus 13. Question 7 states there are two prime numbers in this list. So we work out the sum of these two prime numbers. So 27 is divisible by 1, 3, 9 and 27. 47 is not divisible by any number, whereas 57 is divisible by 1, 3 and 19 and even 57. 61 is not divisible by any number. 75 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 25, not 25, 20, 25 and 75, whereas 93 is also divisible by 1, 3, 9, not 9, any other number, and also 93. So we are left with 61 and 47. So 61 plus 47 will be 108. So 108 will be the final answer for question 7. Question 8 states, complete a stem and leaf diagram. So we have 1 and 3, then we have 5, 4, 5, 11, 8. So smallest is 4, then 5, then again 5, then 8. Then next one is, here we have is 11, which is the smallest number. So you write 11 and then we have 12. Then for 2's we have 23, here 23 and 24, which is over here. Part B states find a median. So what we will do is first we will cancel these two numbers and these two numbers. Then we will cancel 3 numbers from here and 3 numbers from here. So between 5 and 8 will be the answer. So the midpoint is 7, not 7, 6 and a half. Because 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6 and a half. 5 plus 8 divided by 2 is 6 and a half. So 6 and a half is the final answer for part B of questions 8. Question 9 states, the scale drawing shows the position of town A and town B. Measure the bearing of town A from town B. So what we will do is we will measure the angle by using the protractor, and if we can place the protractor like this on 90 degree like this, and you can see it is exactly at 135. So 135 will be the angle of bearing of town B from town A. So 135 degrees. So this will be the answer for question 9. Question 10 states, diagram shows a right angle triangle 1 centimeter square grid. Complete the net of this prism. One face has been drawn for you. So this is drawn as this is 3 centimeter by 6. So this is 3 by 6. Then we have to draw two more length, which will be this side and this slanted side. So first we will draw the slanted side, which is 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be the one side. Then the back side is 4, so we will add 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. Here 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. Then for the slanted, it's 4 by 3. So it will be from here. It will be open like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here 1, 2, and 3 till here. So we'll draw a straight direct line. Not here, sorry. Here. Because it's on a 3D shape, which is 3 by 6. So this is 3 by 6. And like this. One second, because it's confusing. And so as this is the base, like this base, this is a slanted, which is this one. So this should be slanted. And so the main thing is I did wrong here, is like this. It will be like this. So this will be the correct triangle, and here also it will be like this. Because once this is folded upwards, it will be facing slanted, not straight. So that's the main thing, because you have to do it carefully, and this is just only 3 marks, but this is the main thing, that you should be careful when drawing the object, and you should mainly use a pencil to draw this diagram. If you are using a pen, then guaranteed there will be some marks lost when making this triangle, because you have to use each and every part of this square box shape. So this is how we'll be doing question 10. Question 11, state the distance of a town A to town B on a map is 3.5 centimeter. The scale of the map is 1 to 250,000. Find the actual distance in kilometers from town A to town B. So 3.5 times 250,000 divided by, from centimeter to meters, divided by 100, multiplied by, from meters to kilometers, 1000, so divided by 1000. So by using the calculator, the answer is 8.75 kilometer. 8.75 kilometer. 12 states the spinner is spun. The possibility outcomes are A, B, C, or D. The probability of spinning A, C, or D is shown in the table. So here we have the total probability will be 1. So 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.05 minus 0.35. So it is 0.4. So 0.4 will be the probability of B. Question 13 states find an M. So E is all numbers, which is from 1 to 20. E is only even numbers, and M is multiples of 5. So in M, all the multiples of 5. So it will be in M and M. So multiples of 5 will be 5, and here find NM. So NM is total number. So it will be 4, because it's 5, 10, 15, and 20. So there are 4 numbers. Then find the elements in the set E and M. So E and M is all number that is both in E and M. So it will be 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 will be the final answer for 13B. Question 14 states, without using calculator, work out 4 divided by 7 divided by 1 to 5 over 21. So first we will expand the mixed fraction. So 4 over 7 divided by 21 plus 5 is 27. Then we switch this division to multiplication. So 4 over 7 times 21 over 27. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 4 over 9 will be the final answer for question 14. And so this is in simplest form, because here we have 7 and 3, 7 3 is 21, 3 9 is 27. So 4 over 9 will be the final answer for this question. 4/9. Question 15 states f is a point 1 to -4, fg is 8/-3, gh is -12/35. Find 3fg. So 3fg is 3 multiplied by 8 and minus 3. So 3 is a 24 and 3 3 is a 9, so -9. So 24 and -9. fg plus gh. fg is 8 and -3 and gh is -12 and 35. So 8 minus 12 is -4 and -3 plus 35 is 32. So -4 and 32 will be the final answer for part B. Question C states the coordinates of the point G. So you have to calculate the coordinates of point G. So for f it's 1 and 4 -4 and it moved by +8 on x-axis and -3 on y. So 8 plus 1 will be like this. So 1 plus 8 will be 9. So the x is 9 and for y it moved by -3 and originally it was -4. So -4 minus 3 will be -7. So the value of G is 9 and -7. So this is how we'll be doing part C of question 15. Question 16 states x is an integer where x is greater than -3 and x is less than 3. Write on all the possible values of the x. So when the value is greater than or equal to -3, so it will be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 because the value of x is less than 3, not less than or equal to 3. So this is all the integers. Question 17 states find the size of an interior angle of a regular 15-sided polygon. So to calculate the angle, we will interior of 15-sided polygon. What we will do is, so first what we will do is calculate the total angle of interior angle, which is 180 times n minus 2. So 180 multiplied by 15 minus 2, that is 2340. Then 2340 divided by the number of sides, which is 15. So divided by 15, that is 156 degrees for each angle. So 156 will be the final answer for question 17. Question 18 part A states write 45,000 in standard form. So this means that only one number will be remained as whole number and other will be in decimal place. So 4.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 zeros and 1 for 5. 4. So 4. So 4.5 times 10 to the power of 4. Question 14. Question 18 part B states calculate 6.75 times 10 to the power of -3 multiplied by 4.2 times 10 to the power of 5. So what we will do is we will use the calculator to calculate the answer for this, and that is 6.75 times 10 to the power of -3 multiplied by 4.2 times 10 to the power of 5, that is 2835 answer. So it is 2835. So we will transfer this into standard form, which will be 1 in whole number and remaining in decimal. 2.835 times 10 to the power of 3. So 2.835 times 10 to the power of 3 will be the final answer for question 18 part B. Question 19 states simplify 18 x to the power of 12 divided by 3x cube. So first 18 x cube will be cancelled out with 12, so it will be left with x to the power of 9 and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the answer is 6x to the power of 9. So 6x to the power of 9 will be the final answer for question 19. Question 20 states buses at the station go to port or to the town. Bus leaves every 28 minutes for the port and bus leave every 14 minutes for the town. At 10:18, a bus for the port and a bus for the town leave the station together. When is the next time the bus for the port and the bus for the town leave the station together? So what we will do is we will use 28 and 48, and we will use the multiples. So 28 is 28, then is 56, then it is 84, then is 112, and last is 140. Then for 48, or we can do it till tens, multiples of 10. So 140, then 168, then 196, and 224, 256, and 280. Whereas for 48, it's 48, then 96, 144, 192, 240, 288, and 236. 336. We can extend to 80 by adding 28. So after 280, it's 308, then it's 336. So 336 minutes. So 336 minutes is, if you convert it into hours, 5 hours. So if the bus left at 10:18, so it is 10:18 plus 5 and hours and 36 minutes. So this will be 15, and 18 plus 36 will be 54. So 15:54 will be the time at which both buses will come together again. 15:54. We will not add the double dots because it is in 24 hours time, not in 12 hours time. So this is how we'll be doing part question 20. Question 21 states the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Calculate QR. So now we have both lengths of small triangle but one length of big triangle. So we'll keep the big length on top side, not big length, small length, because we have to calculate the value of x here. So x divided by 9 is equal to 18 divided by 15. So we rearrange this and write x is equal to 9 times 18 divided by 15, that is 10.8. So 10.8 will be the final answer for question 21. 10.8 will be the final answer for question 21. Question 22, part A states a diagram shows a right angle triangle. Calculate AB. So we have this hypotenuse, this angle, and we calculate the opposite. So for opposite and hypotenuse, we'll be using the sine rule. So sine 42 is equal to x divided by 8.6. So x is equal to 8.6 times sine 42. So this is 5.75. 5.75 will be the final answer, or the length for AB. 5.75 centimeter. Part B states The diagram shows the right angle triangles PQS and PRS. PQ is 23.8 and QS is 11.2 and SR is 20 centimeter. Calculate PR. So now we have the length. So first what we will do is we'll calculate the straight line by using the Pythagoras theorem. So which is a square is equal to b square plus c square. So this is for this and this. Now we have only b and we have the slanted which is a. So c is equal to 28, not 28, 23.8 square minus 11.2 square to the square root by using the calculator. The answer is 21. Now we have this length which is 21 and we have this length which is 20. So the value of x is 21 square plus 20 square to the square root, that is 29 centimeter. So the length of PR is 29 centimeter, and this will be the final answer for question B of question 22. Question 23 part A states the mass and kilograms of object A is 350 kg, correct to nearest 10 kg. Complete the statement about the value of m. So this means that we first halve the 10 kg into 5 kg. Then we have 5 kg. So we will first less 5 kg from 350, which is 345, and then we will add 5 into 350, which will be 355 kg. So this is the range 345 to 355. Part B states the mass of the object B is 348, correct to nearest kilogram. Show that the mass of the object B may be more than the mass of the object A. So what we will do is we can say that we have to show the mass of the object B is more than the mass of object A. How can we agree? Because if it's 348, it can be either the A could be 345 or it can be 346, because here it's 340 nearest to kilogram, to the nearest kilogram. So we can say A is 345 kg. So we can write like this. It's any answer, it's just a one answer mark. So they will be accepting any answer, but it should be accurate. Like you can say it's A is between the range of 345 to 355, and so that will also be a correct answer for part B. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and also I have a Discord server below in the channel description and also below this video description. Don't forget to join that Discord where I will be uploading multiple videos, and if you have any question you can also comment over there or even ask below this video. See you in the next video. Bye.